Spoken English practice. Let's start. ମୋର କୌଣସି ଆଶା ନାହିଁ. I have no hope. I have no hope. ତୁମ ବଦଳରେ. Instead of you. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ପାଇଁ ଗର୍ବିତ. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. ଥଟ୍ଟା କରିବା ବନ୍ଦ କର. Stop kidding. Stop kidding. ତୁମେ ବହୁତ ଗର୍ବୀ. You are so greedy. You are so greedy. କହିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. No need to say. No need to say. ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଖ. Look at him. Look at him. ମୋତେ ଦୟା କରନି ବା ମୋତେ ଦୟା କର ନାହିଁ. Don't favor me. Don't favor me. ଆପଣ ଏବେ କେଉଁଠି ଅଛନ୍ତି? Where are you right now? Where are you right now? ମୁଁ ଡାକ୍ତରଖାନାରେ ଅଛି. I am at hospital. I am at hospital. ତୁମେ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଯାଉଛ? Where are you going? Where are you going? ମୁଁ କଲେଜ ଯାଉଛି. I am going to college. I am going to college. ଆପଣ କେଉଁଠାରେ ବାସ କରନ୍ତି? Where do you live? Where do you live? ତୁମେ କେଉଁଠାରୁ ଆସିଛ? Where are you come from? Where are you come from? ମୁଁ ଘରେ ଏକୁଟିଆ ଅଛି. I am alone at home. I am alone at home. ମୋତେ ବାଧ୍ୟ କରନି. Don't force me. Don't force me. ଏହାକୁ ଫ୍ରିଜରେ ରଖ. Put it in the refrigerator. ସେ କ'ଣ କହିଲେ? What did he say? What did he say? ତୁମେ କାହିଁକି ଲାଜ କରୁଛ? Why are you feeling shy? Why are you feeling shy? ମୁଁ କହିପାରିବିନି. I can't say. I can't say. ମୋତେ ତୁମର ସାହାଯ୍ୟ ଦରକାର. I need your help. I need your help. ଆମେ କେଉଁଠି ଭେଟିବା? Where will be we met? Where will be we met? ଏହାକୁ ବାହାରକୁ ନିଅ. Take this outside. Take this outside. ଏକ ଇଚ୍ଛା କର ବା ଗୋଟେ ଇଚ୍ଛା କର. Make a wish. Make a wish. ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କହୁଛି. I am telling you. I am telling you. କିଛି ସମୟ ପରେ. After some time. After some time. କେବେ ଭାବି ନଥିଲି. Never thought. Never thought. ମୁଁ କିଛି କହିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ. I want to say something. I want to say something. ତୁରନ୍ତ ମୋତେ ସାକ୍ଷାତ କର. Meet me immediately. Meet me immediately. ଶୀଘ୍ର ମୋ ପାଖକୁ ଆସ। Come to me soon. Come to me soon. ଶୀଘ୍ର ଦେଖା ହେବ। See you soon. See you soon. କେଉଁ ସମୟରେ? By what time? By what time? ମୁଁ କରିବାକୁ ସକ୍ଷମ ନୁହେଁ। I am not able to do. I am not able to do. ଦୟାକରି ନିଜକୁ ନିୟନ୍ତ୍ରଣ କର। Please control yourself. Please control yourself. ଆପଣ ବହୁତ ଦୟାଳୁ। You are very kind. You are very kind. ତୁମେ ଆସିପାରିବ। You can come. You can come. ମୁଁ ମିଠାକୁ ଭଲ ପାଏ। I am fond of sweets. I am fond of sweets. ଆଜି ବହୁତ ଗରମ। Today is very hot. Today is very hot. ମୋତେ କିଛି ସମୟ ଦରକାର। I need some time. I need some time. ଏହି ଛବିକୁ ଦେଖ। ଏହି ଛବିକୁ ଦେଖ। Look at this picture. Look at this picture. ମୁଁ ଦେଖିପାରୁନି। I can't see. I can't see. ତୁମକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ। You have to go. You have to go. କିଏ କହିଲା? Who said? Who said? ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି। I don't know. I don't know. ସେ କ'ଣ ତୁମ ଭାଇ? Is he your brother? Is he your brother? ନା, ସେ ମୋ ଭାଇ ନୁହେଁ। No, he is not my brother. No, he is not my brother. ମୋତେ ମିଛ କୁହ ନାହିଁ ବା ମୋତେ ମିଛ କୁହନି। Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. ମୁଁ ମିଛ କହୁନି। I did not lie. I did not lie. ଆଜିର ହୋମୱାର୍କ ସବୁ ସତ କୁହ। ଇଂଲିଶରେ କ'ଣ ହେବ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଲେଟ୍ କରିକି କମେଣ୍ଟ ବକ୍ସରେ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ। If you like this video, please like it and share it and subscribe to this channel for more updates. Thank you. Thank you for watching.